Lifeless hair got you feeling down? Well, then try out this quick and easy sea salt texturizing spray. I'm Maddie, and in today's AFI DIY lab video, I'm going to show you guys how to make it. Start by warming your water in the microwave for about 1 minute. Add in the Epsom salts and Himalayan pink salt. Give them a good stir until they're fully dissolved in the solution. Add the aloe vera gel and preservative, and we used Germabin too. Now in a separate beaker, combine your oil ingredients. This includes the avocado oil, argan oil, and of course, fragrance oil. I wanted to use a fragrance that will make it feel like summer no matter what time of year it is, so I selected our mango Tango. Give all of that a good stir, and while adding in Polysorbate 80. Mix vigorously to incorporate it in with the oils before adding everything in with the water. Stir well to create an emulsion, and your texturizing spray is done, just like that. All that's left to do is transfer the mixture into our spray bottles using a funnel for an easier pour if you need it, but I think this time I'm going to wing it. This texturizing spray is as easy to use as it is to make. Simply spritz your damp hair, saturating the mids and ends, then dry using a towel or blow dryer, and you'll see volume and texture in no time. An 8-ounce bottle of texturizing spray only costs about $1 to make, meaning each bottle can be sold wholesale for $2 to $4 and retail for $6 to $12 depending on the fragrance and the additives that you choose to use. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed following along with us in this tutorial, and if you have any questions, drop them down below. We love hearing what you guys have to say. And don't forget to hit us up on all of our socials with what you want to see us make next. And until then, I'm Maddie, and I'll catch you guys in the next video real soon. Bye!